2020 has been a difficult year for everyone. We have all been looking for some good news during these difficult times. Every day, we see glimmers of hope from the YouTube community. From creators raising funds, to teachers inspiring their students, to communities supporting one another. YouTube has been a place where people have come together since our platform first launched 15 years ago to learn, laugh, and connect with others. YouTube in India continues to grow at an amazing pace, and it will continue to empower the next generation of storytellers in the years ahead.
Welcome to my live session.
Hello, welcome to the episode.
Subscribe karta na.
We want to express our heartfelt thanks to all of you across brands and agencies. Your partnership has made all of this possible. We're here to help with best practices and case studies as we plan for the future. Since we can't get together in person, we hope you enjoy Brandcast Delivered. And now, let's start the show.
Hello G Beta G. My name is Kusha Kapila and thank you for choosing me as your host. You've made the right choice. Welcome to Brandcast Delivered, or as YouTube likes to call it, Sajna hai mujhe, Sajna ke liye. But before we begin this customized Brandcast for you, I want to tell you how it all began. I started off playing a variety of diverse characters that some of you might be familiar with. Humble brag, you know, Delhi Auntie, South Delhi Auntie, North Delhi Auntie. Delhi Auntie returns. Delhi Auntie dobara. Delhi Auntie reloaded her gun and shot another Delhi Auntie. ये वाला episode आने वाला है, देख लेना. But on a serious note, I take my insights and observations and put it out there, and I have found an audience that loves me for it. But enough about me. It is time to tell you what YouTube has been up to from the man himself, Sanjay Gupta.
This is a story that has not only inspired me, but also made me smile during these really tough times. Some of you may already know Gangava from my village show, a village grandmother and farm worker who has become a YouTube sensation and now a TV superstar. With no prior experience in acting, Gangava not only built her own career on YouTube with a Telugu show, but also managed to pay off all her debts and generate revenue to help her entire village. Today, Gangava's channel is home to more than 1.7 million subscribers who enjoy her content across the world. Just like Gangava, creators across the country, across genres, across languages are rewriting the rules of content creation and storytelling. Hi. Welcome to the YouTube Brandcast Delivered 2020. I want to talk about a fundamental shift that has happened in the last few decades, which makes the current moment a big revolution in the making. This started with entertainment when TV came to India in the mid-1980s. In less than 4 decades, video has become the primary mode of entertainment. Then came experiences. This was triggered by the entry of smartphones and the internet. Any one of us could create content and share with the people around. On YouTube alone, we have thousands of such channels across multiple genres with millions of subscribers. Globally, over 500 hours of content is uploaded on the platform every minute, and India is one of the largest contributors to that. And now, the big leap in education and learning. As parents and teachers both see mobile as an enabler for education. So video today delivers entertainment, experiences, and even education. YouTube has played the role of a catalyst in this revolution in the last 2 decades. the biggest change YouTube has brought is in the way content gets created in India. If you have a story to tell, YouTube is where you can bring it to life and build an authentic connection with your viewers. From learning a new skill, to setting up your own business online, to becoming your family's own master chef, to just relaxing and unwinding. YouTube caters to the personal interests of over 1 billion Indians across a wide spectrum of genres, languages, geographies, age groups, and more. Today, there are over 2,500 YouTubers with over 1 million subscribers engaging and influencing our community of users each day. YouTube is the #1 platform for accessing videos in regional languages, with Hindi leading the charts, followed by Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Bengali, and many other Indian languages. I am delighted to share that YouTube in India is now the most used platform for accessing online videos in the country, with 325 million Indians tuning in month on month. Deep engagement with the platform is one of the many reasons why 2 out of every 3 users say that they would rather give up TV than YouTube for a month. By making content more personal, helpful, and accessible, YouTube has turned the tide for not just our users and creators, but also many large and small brands who are embracing these new opportunities to drive success for their businesses. Whether it is making people fall in love with your brand by creating unique collaboration with our creators and reaching highly engaged audiences, or launching your next big product with massive reach, or nudging your consumers to visit a store, or anything in between, YouTube has been a key driver for advertisers in their journey towards building their brands and businesses. Nielsen recently conducted a meta-analysis across 100+ MMM studies and multiple brands, and found that YouTube delivers greater effectiveness than TV and directly impacts sales. With our strong reach across the country and high levels of engagement across an unparalleled variety of content, along with the ability to personalize at scale, YouTube today delivers more value to a business than ever before. In the next 30 minutes, we hope to bring you a step closer to this revolution. Enjoy the rest of the show.
हेलो, मैं दिख रही हूँ? वैसे बाय गॉड संजय गुप्ता जी तो बिल्कुल ही ना करेक्ट बात बोलते हैं। आफ्टर ऑल गूगल के हेड जो है, मेरी कुशु को ही देख लो, इतनी मुंह फट हो गई है ना। अब क्या है ना, यूट्यूब पर चोचले नहीं है, आप ये नहीं बोल सकते, आप वो नहीं बोल सकते, ऐसी बात ही नहीं है यहाँ पर। यूट्यूब पर आपको जो बोलना है आप बोलिए, माता रानी की कृपा से आपको फॉलोअर्स, फैंस, रिश्ते, स्टाकर्स सब मिल जाएंगे। पर अगर आपका कंटेंट रिलेटेबल होगा ना, तो बिना 16 सोमवार के व्रत रखे आप क्रिएटर से सर्दी खांसी वाले इन्फ्लुएंजा बन जाओगे। और जब इन्फ्लुएंजा की बात हो रही है, सुनते हैं एंजेला जी को, जो बात करेंगी कैसे यूट्यूब हैज बिकम द हब ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस एंड कल्चर। ठीक बोला? कुछ मैंने इंग्लिश वर्ड मैंने सीखा है स्पेशली इस स्पीच के लिए।
Test 1 2 3 test 1 2. Hi friends, I'm Angela and I'm the global head of brand marketing at YouTube. I'm so thrilled to have the opportunity to speak to you today through this medium, although I was really looking forward to being in India in person for Brandcast this year. But now we are living in truly extraordinary times, experiencing this pandemic together. And as you can see, I'm speaking to you from my home in Los Angeles. I've spent the last couple of years at YouTube inspired by this incredible global platform that enables anyone to tell a story, to connect with a larger community, and find their voice. India is one of our fastest growing and most vibrant markets. But what makes it personally inspiring to me is that 7 out of 10 users in India said that content on YouTube made them feel a deeper human connection. While our viewers have endless content choices, they come to YouTube for many unique reasons, be it to escape and relax with entertainment videos, to watch relatable and authentic content, or simply to learn something new. Susan and Sanjay spoke about the scale of YouTube in India, and I am wowed by the rapid growth in the number of YouTube creators with over 1 million subscribers. From just 24 years ago to 2,500 today, and our top creators in India continue to reach new heights. Home chef Nisha Muda Likha is our 9th creator, reached 10 million subscribers. That's more than the population of Singapore. Recently, over 200 creators came together to celebrate the major festival Onam at a scale that's only possible on YouTube. During this time of uncertainty, when the world has been on pause, we have also seen creators and content partners become agile and quickly find innovative ways to create meaningful content to help people find creative ways to adapt to life's challenges. This is specifically true for Indian viewers who have leveraged YouTube to regain a sense of stability and hope. Whether it's finding comfort in cooking a restaurant-style dum biryani, or working off the calories while dancing to Bollywood hits, or connecting with others by participating in fun trends.
तुम चने कुकर में चढ़ाकर मेरे पास आई थी तब रसोड़े में कौन था?
Or even to pick up some new skills like the basics of personal finance, to even learning to cut your hair at home. Well, some skills are best left to the pros. Moving forward, YouTube will continue to be the flexible medium that people turn to in order to deepen their passions, explore new ideas, and find the content that they love. And technology is only going to make that personalization at scale more feasible, helping brands like yours connect with audiences in even more relevant and relatable ways. Speaking of which, I know you chose to hear more about lifestyle and beauty. While many of us put our makeup routines on hold while we stayed at home, beauty found new meaning with skincare, at-home haircuts, fitness, and doing things together. To share more with us, here are our lifestyle creators.
I wanted to do something creative, and that's how I started my first channel called Perky Makes.
എനിക്ക് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ഉള്ള ഒരു ഏരിയ ആണ്. മാത്രമല്ല ഞാൻ പണ്ട് തൊട്ടേ ഇങ്ങനെ ബ്യൂട്ടി സംഭവങ്ങളൊക്കെ ചെയ്യും. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഞാൻ ഈ ഒരു യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
We don't have anyone teaching us how to dress or teaching us how to shave or teaching us how to take care of our hair or skin.
I had this passion for beauty and makeup and fashion. Then I started कि चलो भाई एक चैनल खोलते हैं.
In 2016, मैंने देखा YouTube पे Indian fashion content कोई नहीं बना रहा था.
Our first ever fashion video, which we put up, crossed about 2 million views on the first day and 3 million views on the second day.
I got so much love from all my subscribers and भगवान की कृपा रही. That's why I got more than 20 million combined subs और family ही कहना. Initially, I used to make videos in English on my channel Shruti Arjun Anand, and then मुझे नीड लगी कि बहुत सारी हिंदी ऑडियंस आ रही है, उनके लिए भी कुछ करना चाहिए.
In 2017 end, I started my another channel, which was a Hindi channel called Perky Makes Hindi, and it just picked up in no time. So there has been no looking back since then.
അങ്ങനെ റീജിയണൽ വ്ളോഗേഴ്സ് എന്തായാലും ഭാവിയിലോട്ട് കൂടുതൽ സാധ്യത വളരെ കൂടുതലാണ്.
Lifestyle content has really evolved during the lockdown.
People are trying to learn new skills on YouTube.
Everybody was searching for video content like home remedies and how we can do a facial at home or a pedicure at home or eyebrows at home.
Fitness started booming a lot again. People wanted to get fit while they were staying at home.
So YouTube is one of the biggest platforms to learn new things.
Parents don't really teach us this. We don't learn it at school. And YouTube becomes the big school to learn about lifestyle. Lifestyle is kind of evolving and people are thinking about personal finance and business and communication skills and professional skills, soft skills, ed tech, things like that.
I'm a creator in this field since last 4 years and I see new opportunities every year. So I see the future very, very bright.
Well, hello, my synergists, my survivors, my multitaskers. I scared myself. 15 मिनट से आप बिना ब्रेक लिए ये शो देख रहे हैं. आपने अटेंशन दिया या नहीं दिया मिर्जा? ये देखने के लिए मैं लूंगी आपका एक क्विक टेस्ट. मैं यानी ओवर एंथुसियास्टिक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर विद एक्सट्रीमली ओवर द टॉप एनर्जी. 3 सवाल का जवाब दीजिए और जीतिए स्पेशल अमेजिंग वाओ चिक वाओ वाओ गिफ्ट. सवाल नंबर 1. कितने लोगों ने कहा है कि they rather give up YouTube than TV? A, 2 out of 3. B, were you even paying attention? C, please eat some badams. D, are you kidding me? Correct. You have given the right answer because you are a tiger. Tiger है तो tiger. Roll कर. सवाल 2. How many unique Indians log on to YouTube every month? A, 325 million. B, option A. C, option A and B. D, all of the above. You have answered correctly because you are a fighter. Dish 'em, dish 'em. सवाल नंबर 3. इंडिया में कितने क्रिएटर्स हैं above 1 million subscribers? A, 2,500. B, 5 to 100,000. C, 1,105 या D, 552 2,100. सही जवाब. आपने दिए 3 सवालों के करेक्ट उत्तर and that makes you a winner chicken dinner. And you win the special prize and that is my respect. अब तक तो हम क्रिएटर्स की बात कर रहे थे. Now it's time to hear what the brands have to say. Let's go!
Audiences today are getting hooked on to dynamic media platforms. Advertisers all over are looking for ways to connect with their consumers in the most efficient fashion. Our recent work delivers compelling and unarguable insights in the area of efficiency and effectiveness, which prove the strength and truly weatherproof nature of YouTube as a brand building and a performance building platform. With Nielsen as our partner, we are able to understand how do we create these campaigns which maximize effectiveness for our clients.
With the pressure on businesses in recent times, the questions surrounding ROIs have gained further prominence. We have recently launched Nielsen Compass. Nielsen Compass essentially is a normative database which encapsulates our learnings on ROIs across 100 categories in 50 countries. It will enable marketers to make outcome-based budget decisions for their brand in the context of their brand site. We recently conducted a meta-analysis involving 1,600 market mix models. The objective of this exercise was essentially to assess the impact of YouTube on brand sales.
YouTube effectiveness was 4.8 times greater than TV effectiveness. YouTube ROI was 1.92 as compared to TV ROI of 1.16.
Google has done a lot of experimental work with Nielsen. This is for Lay's. We employed a matched panel analysis methodology. A time-based regression was run to assess the impact of YouTube campaign on Lay's sales.
By adopting best practices on insights, media, creative and measurement for a TV plus online campaign, we saw that an 8-week campaign delivered a 12.5% sales lift and a ROAS of 5.05. The highest sales uplift that we have seen in APAC till date. While this is a specific case in India, based on the Nielsen MPA studies that we have seen in APAC till date, we see that 89% of YouTube campaigns deliver a significant lift in offline sales. Stay tuned as we talk more about this dynamic platform and the value it unfolds for our users and advertisers.
My name is Satyen Gajwani. I'm the Vice Chairman of Times Internet, the digital arm of the Times of India Group. YouTube actually has changed in the role that it's played for us as a company. I think early on we viewed YouTube as a destination just for really brand awareness. It was a digital equivalent of television, and that if we wanted to serve video ads and get people to sort of see some of our products in a more interactive way, we used YouTube. What we've now found, particularly given how big YouTube has become, is that it really serves our marketing goals across the funnel. It helps us on customer awareness, of course, and when we launch new products or launch a new show on MX Player or we release a new exclusive song on Gaana, YouTube is a great way for us to get that exposure and distribution and visibility out there for people who maybe not knew that was there. But what YouTube's also been able to do for us more recently is actually help drive a lot of our conversion metrics. We think of YouTube serving our marketing needs all the way from the top to the bottom of the funnel in terms of bringing awareness and helping us position brands in a really powerful way, but also ultimately moving our business needles and hitting our key metrics that we want to achieve across our businesses. Last year, we released what was at that time our biggest show ever called Queen.
अभी तो सिर्फ शुरुआत हुई है.
And because it was such an important show for us, we put a lot of effort into promoting it well on YouTube. So with Queen, we were actually able to reach 78 million unique viewers who ended up spending over 600 million minutes watching the show. And for a new show release on a new platform, that was really massive for us at that time. Again, YouTube played a really relevant role for us with GradeUp. We know how important YouTube is for the average person preparing for an exam. 4 out of 5 people who are usually use YouTube in some form or another, using TrueView for Action with Google Video Partners to really help us get our message out there. We reached people interested in preparing for a test and offered a lot of our new live classes that are really built to serve them with the best quality education in preparing for a test that they have ahead of them. Because personal finance content is often kind of dry, managing your money while it's important in your life sometimes is hard to get people's attention with, we felt like leveraging YouTube creators would be really helpful for us. In doing so, we did see pretty strong results. We reached over 22 million people using the content we created with YouTube creators. And when we look at our brand search, it grew over 160% after the campaign. YouTube played a really critical role for us in our growth. Thank you.
Hello Dre, welcome back. Couldn't wait for me. Since the lockdown happened, things have been quite tough. As you know, I am a YouTuber, or so I'd like to believe, and I'm honestly tired. Matlab, I am the writer, director, performer, DOP, spot DD. Basically, I've become Farhan Akhtar and I'm not even good at that. But that's the best part about YouTube. Films and television stopped, but YouTube did not. The fact that I could sit at home and create content is what truly makes YouTube amazing. Because at the end of the day, what matters is our content. The lockdown called for all of us to be creative and effective. And speaking of that, let's hear what Priya Barve has to say about creative effectiveness.
It's always great to see work deliver business results from the top of the funnel to the bottom of the funnel. Hi, I'm Priya. I'm the head of Unskippable Labs Asia Pacific. Our team of strategists and creatives review top and bottom performing ads and conduct creative experiments to identify effective opportunities for advertisers to communicate. As an industry and community, we've made great strides in understanding how to use data-driven insights to make better creative decisions. We've seen that bringing together audience insights and messaging can open up new possibilities in how we tell stories, and that the creative power of an ad is often more important than the media decisions that sit behind it. Yet, when the crisis came, we struggled. We struggled to figure out what to say and how to say it, what not to say and how not to say it. And when we finally got some learnings, we realized we probably shouldn't have worried as much. Almost 90% of effective ads did not reference the crisis at all. They showed everyday life, regular behaviors, business as usual messaging, and continued to work. So what does this tell us about why we continue to need data-driven insights? And what does this let us see that we were missing? As a team that reviews thousands of ads each month, we've seen that most of what we know of advertising continues to be right. Show the product, solve a problem, and do it in an interesting and engaging way. But things we think are mandatory, like great production values, are often one tool among many in how a story can be told. When our production systems came under pressure during crisis, approaches we had relied on for years, like large-scale productions, celebrity endorsements, were no longer as feasible. So advertisers and agencies came up with creative approaches to make ads, and the stories that emerged were distinctive and effective. We also discovered that when we moved from just asking people how they like ads to focusing instead on what they do, we started to uncover where we were holding ourselves back. Across 11,000 ads in 5 verticals, we saw that most creative attributes solve for only one problem. If they work for ad recall, they may not work for purchase intent. If they work for consideration, they may not work for awareness. Different goals means different stories. 3 different ads work better than the same ad 3 times over. And we also saw that different ads work for different audiences, rather than the same ad for everyone. So what does this mean for advertisers? The path to growth is through better insights and a diversity of stories, by opening creatively and accelerating operationally. With better insights, we can make ads better faster, but we need to make sure we're asking different sorts of questions. And advertisers should use the tools available not to avoid risks, but to take them, to ensure we don't fail twice for the same reason. And as we continue on this journey on creative effectiveness with you, it's imperative to celebrate and champion the brilliant minds that are producing some of the most innovative and effective campaigns on YouTube today. Here's a sneak peek of the YouTube Works Award for you.
Hello darling, hello. This brings us to the end of Brandcast 2020. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया, मैं क्या बताऊं, ऐसे हो गया मेरा दिल तो, क्योंकि जहां ब्रांड्स होते हैं वहां मैं ना हूं, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, humble brag. बट जाने से पहले कहना चाहूंगी कि संजय जी की बात याद रखना, the 2 out of 3 people would rather give up TV than YouTube. I am the 2 people. So make sure you check out the website if you want to know more about certain trends and topics. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube. नाम है कुशा कपिला, पर आपको सारे कैरेक्टर्स वहीं मिल जाएंगे. अब मैं जाती हूँ darling, as I leave you with this special performance lined up only for you.
Hey, namaste. Thank you for joining me today. This is YouTube Brandcast Delivered. आपके लिए आपका भाई ऋत्विज गाने बजाएगा.
मेरी सीट पर नीत आ जाओ ना तो सही, ऐसी मन की है सच्ची, तुम हो सितारों की परी, हुई गलती सॉरी हमने गाया तुम क्यों सुनी, किसकी मर्जी जो थी, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा.
ये पता है आपको ट्यून? You know this tune.
हम तोड़ गए जब तुम झुकी, तब से तुम नजर में आ रुकी, हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे था लम्हा, अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जाना, हम तो हो गए समा धीरे धीरे था लम्हा, अब तो होना है वही जो बनाए जाना. हम तो उड़ गए, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा, अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा.
Thank you so much.